Hello student, myself Ajay sir and welcome in lecture 3rd. In this lecture, we will study about to find the greater rational number. For this, we take example as you see 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Which of the rational number is greater? So, for this, we find the LCM of the denominator. What is the denominator? 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Now find LCM of 3 and 4. I hope you know to find the LCM. So first write their LCM and their numerator. Now your next step, divide the LCM by their numerator. 12 divided by 3. 3 4 ja 12. Okay, what do you get? 4. So 4 2 multiplied by 4. Similarly, 12 divided by their denominator 4. So multiplied 4 divide to 3. 12. So multiplied by 3. 2 4 ja 8 by 12 or 9 by 12. Now it is easy to find the greater number. First check their denominator. The denominator is same. Now check their numerator. Which of the numerator is greater? 9 is greater. So this rational number is greater rational number. This is your answer. It's so easy. Now take some another example. This is the second type of rational number in which we first convert this in the standard form. This rational number is not in standard form because their numerator is negative. So first this will match in positive number. For this we have first or 3 by minus 4. This is multiplied by minus 1 and this is always multiplied by minus 1. What do you get? 2 by 3 or minus 3 by 4. So both are in standard form. So your second step, take the LCM of their denominator. LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. So same process of that question. Write their denominator and write the numerator of numerator. And third step, 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. What do you get? 4. So 4 multiplied by their numerator. And now second step, their denominator is 4. So 12 divided by 4. What do you get? 3. So 3 multiplied by this numerator. What do you get? Minus 8 by 12 or minus 9 by 12. You know on the number line, this is the greater number. So minus 8 by 12 is greater than minus 9 by 12 because minus is greater than minus 9. Now arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. दिए हुए इस रैशनल नंबर्स को असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, दैट मीन्स इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. सो फर्स्ट convert these in the standard form. This is always in standard form. This is not in standard form. So 5 multiplied by minus 1 by minus 12 minus 1. This is in standard form. Minus 7 by 16. This is not in standard form. We cancel out. 3 3 is 9. 3 8 is 3 by minus 8 and multiplied this because their numerator is negative. So multiplied minus 1 in both sides, numerator and denominator. After that, we find the LCM of these 4, 12, 16 and 8. Now we find 4, 12, 16, 8. Find the LCM. 4, 1 is 4, 4 3 is 4 is 4 2 is. Now 4, 3, 1, 2. This can be 2, 2 and 1. Now 1, 3, 1 and 1, 1, 1. LCM is equal to 4 multiplied by 2 to 2 into 3. What do you get? 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 3 is 48. This is your LCM. Now write the LCM. 48, 48. Now 48 divided by 4. What do you get? 12. So minus 3 multiplied by 12. Now 48 divided by 12. What do you get? Minus 5 multiplied by 4. Now 48 divided by 16. What do you get? 3. Now 48 divided by 8. What do you get? 3 into 6. Now your next step will multiply this. 12 3 is minus 36 by 48. 5 minus 20 by 48 minus 21 by 48 and 3 6 is 18 minus 18 by 48. Now all of these, their denominator is same. So find, we write in ascending order. So first write their small numerators. Minus 36 by 48. After that, minus 21 by 48. After that, minus 20 by 48 minus 18 by 48. It can be written this number. This is your answer. It can be write as minus 3 by 4 minus 21 minus 7 by 16, and this is 5 by minus 12, and this is 9 by this is your answer. This is your homework. Which of the following rational number is greater? इसमें ग्रेटर रैशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है. नेक्स्ट, अरेंज द फॉलोइंग रैशनल नंबर इन असेंडिंग, और इन दोनों रैशनल नंबर्स को असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में पुट करना है. आई होप you understand better. Thank you.